Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click it on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on Copytrader here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to Copytrader posts. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That means it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.